Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to use split screen on an Honor 600 Pro. To use split screen, first you have to choose an app you want the split screen to be. So let's choose Google for this one. Swipe up and hold and put it into a window. Then press on split screen and we'll choose photos for this one. Here you can adjust the size, vertical swap, or you can even save it, and now it will be on your home screen. You can even change the app you want the split screen to be. For example, this. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.